Hey champions, this is Mrs. Gardner, and as you can see on my screen, I have a penguin number bonds activity. We are going to work on the first couple of number bonds together using our seesaw writing tools, and we're going to use some manipulatives. And then you're going to do the last four by yourself. So let's go ahead and look at the first number bond we have. We've got a penguin, and our penguin represents our whole number, or our number 7. And then we have two igloos that represent our parts. So we have number 7 as our whole, and then they gave us one part of 7, which is 3, and then we have to find the other part. So I'm going to use our manipulatives on Didax, and I'm going to find what my other part is. So I know that we have 7 as my whole, so I'm going to bring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is my whole. Let's check. Yep, so I've got 7 as my whole. And I know that we have 3 as one of our parts. So we have to figure out what our other part is. So if 7's my whole and I have 3 as a part, I'm just going to go over here to my manipulatives and I'm going to take off 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's my part. I know I have 7 all together, and 3 is my part. Let's see what my other part is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I'm going to go over to Seesaw. I'm going to click on one of my writing tools, and I am just going to write number 4. So 7 is my whole. I've got 3 as one of my parts and 4 as my other part. So now I know that 3 plus 4 is 7 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, let's go to our second penguin. We have been given our whole, which is 4. That's our big number. And then on the top igloo is number 1, which is a part of 4. And we have to figure out what the other part is. So I'm going to go over to my Unifix cubes. And I'm going to bring over 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's double check. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here it shows I have 4 as my whole. And I have 1 as one of my parts. So I have to figure out what my other part is. So let's go back over to our Unifix cubes. I'm going to take off 1 because that's a part. So I have 1, and then let's see how many are left over. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I know that my other part is 3. So 3 and 1 is 4, or 3 plus 1 is 4. And that is how you do it. So I want you all to go ahead and do the next 4 on your own. You need to find your missing part. Each one of these is missing a part. Use your Didax manipulative cubes to help you. All right.